YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400. This is the 4-wheel cleaner. As you guys can tell, didn't look like it did a few seconds ago. If you guys want to know how I got to this point, make sure that you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a full playlist for you guys on tearing this thing apart from the outside in. For today's video, you don't necessarily need to get exactly where we're at right now, but I do want to show you guys the locations and how to remove the ball bearings that are used for each one of the wheels. So again, with a 4-wheel cleaner, you're looking at the purpose of this is providing more push for the for the cleaner to get out of a deep end of a pool. So if you have a deeper diving pool, this will be a better cleaner for you, as it will be able to make it up that slope into your shallow end. So once you guys have actually removed the wheel pins that we discussed in one of our other videos, and you're able to actually get the tires off, you guys will notice that there are these white bearings on each one of the actual axles, let's call it, of the frame itself. So all you're looking to do is go ahead and pull these directly off of that frame. So they do have a piece of direction, so you guys do need to make sure that you guys put them back on correctly, just to make sure that it sits correctly on the cleaner. These front ones do have little notches on them that will actually point towards the bottom of this axle to make sure that it kind of sits flush. It allows everything else to sit on there and ride smoothly. So you'll have the front ones, and then you're going to look at the back. The back's going to have the same design, but it doesn't necessarily matter in the back, as these are just free spinning wheels. These are just meant to help give that extra traction to make it up that slope. So again, once you guys have removed them, it's as simple as making sure that you slide them back onto the points on the frame. In the front, it's nice. They have them color coded here. You're looking for those red marks. That's going to tell you that's where those front wheels go. And in the back, obviously, there is no other place besides right here on this inside point. So you can't miss either one. Again, it's really important that you guys make sure that these are in good condition. This is what's going to help the ease of those tires and make sure everything runs efficiently. So again, for install, again, just slide it right back on and you guys are good to go. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have some more of these videos on tearing apart this cleaner from the outside in. Till then, Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.